In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up or apply to be an Uber Eats delivery driver. Now this video is very quick and easy, so make sure you watch right to the end so that you don't miss any steps. And the quicker we'll be able to get this set up, the quicker you'll be able to start earning money as an Uber Eats delivery driver. So let's jump into it. To start with, what are the first things we will need in order to actually apply to be an Uber Eats driver? Here on the website, it does actually tell us a few things we need, so we want to go and read this first to make sure we do actually have everything we need to apply. So as it says here, to avoid delays, make sure you have the correct documents, complete the background check and follow the instructions sent to you via email and SMS. So the first step is to actually sign up. And you'll want to add your personal details and select your vehicle. So you can choose either a bicycle, a motorbike or scooter or a car. The next step is to submit your documents. So your documents required do depend on the vehicle. So if you were applying with a car, for example, you would need to input your driver's license, stuff like that. And then after, you will actually have to complete a background check as well. So after you sign up for a courier account, you will receive an email asking you to complete a background check. And it does say here, please note our partner may require you to provide a separate set of documents to complete both the right to work and the basic disclosure check. These may be the same as the documents you have submitted to your Uber profile. So once we've read all that and we know we are going to be eligible, we can go ahead and apply. So we just want to scroll back up to the top here. And here where it says get started, we want to go ahead and click on that. So here's where you actually want to create an account if you don't have one already. But I'm just going to sign in via Google because I find this the easiest method. So here you just want to put in your name and then also your mobile number. And then after that, click next. So once you have actually gone ahead and signed up for that, we're ready to start submitting our documents and completing the background check. So the documents we need will depend on what vehicle we're using. So for example, if you're using a car, these are the requirements. You will need to be at least 18 years old. You'll need to be able to provide your driving licence. You'll need to be able to provide a DVLA electronic counterpart check code if you're using a UK driving licence. You have to also provide a bank statement dated within the last 3 months. And also you'll have to provide your car insurance certificate. And if you need to learn more about your car insurance certificate, you can learn more about that by clicking on this link here. Now if you're on a motorbike, it's exactly the same as a car. And finally, a bicycle. For the bicycle, all you need to be is 18 years old. Sign up using the bicycle method, provide a photo ID, which is any of these, and also a bank statement dated within the last 3 months. And after you've done that and applied, as long as all your documents are valid, Uber Eats will accept you into their driver program and you're able to start earning money as an Uber Eats driver. So I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you now know how to open an Uber Eats driver account. If you do, please comment down below to say this video helped you out and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.